The winter chill is in the air, making an ice box of receiving bays and reception desks. But fret not, there's no need to bundle up layer upon layer, looking like the Michelin Man. Thanks to this week's feature product, the Halogen Dish Heater from Pronghorn. This compact little heater is perfect for warming up any chilly areas, with the halogen heat element pushing out 400 watts on low and 800 watts on high. There's also an oscillating function for spreading the warmth for everyone to share. And with this vertical adjustment, you can place this miniature sun up high on a file cabinet or way down low beside your desk without losing that oh so relieving heat. With all these features crammed into a 15-inch wide footprint and making next to no noise, what's not to love? Concerned about safety? Well, there's no fear of setting your office ablaze thanks to the adjustable 2-hour timer, overheating protection circuits, and a tip-over safety switch, which shuts off the unit immediately if knocked over. There's even a carry handle so you can safely maneuver around the building, fending off the cold wherever you go. But maybe you're thinking that this just isn't the right size for you, or it doesn't blast out enough heat. Well, we have a wide range of Pronghorn heaters, from quartz, ceramic, and oil, to compact size, and even heavy duty for those construction workers braving those frost-bitten winds. So go ahead, show Jack Frost who's boss with this week's feature product, the Halogen Dish Heater from Pronghorn. What's your best tricks for warding away the cold? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest feature products. Stay warm out there.